Beef or chicken, window or aisle, let's go for the distance. Mabuhay Miles, it's Francis Candy, yay!
Business or economy, have a safe flight, touchdown new city, traveler light. It's Rambi Francisco.
Alam mo ba na as of July 2025, ang Philippine passport ay ranked 72nd out of 199 countries? Ibig sabihin, we can enter to 67 countries visa-free or visa on arrival. Yes, medyo tumaas na tayo compared to before, pero kung isipin, may 130 plus countries pa na kailangan natin ng visa bago makapasok. Now, let's be real. Maraming Pilipino ang nangangarap na makapag-travel abroad, hindi lang para magbakasyon, kundi para makapagtrabaho, mag-aral, o simpleng makasama ang pamilya. Pero madalas, ang pasaporte natin ang unang challenge. So bakit ganun? It's not just about the passport itself, it's about the trust. How much other countries trust us to enter their borders without restrictions. At dito papasok ang role natin bilang mamamayan. Kung gusto nating mas tumas ang ating ranking ng ating pasaporte, kailangan nating ipakita na kaya nating maging responsable, maayos at napagkakatiwalaan sa ibang bansa.
Pero para sa Pinoy Global Explorers, walang atrasan kahit no visa, no entry. Dahil pag may gusto, laging may paraan. At ito ang show para bigyang pugay ang mga Pinoy travelers na nakaabot na ng 100 countries. Ito ang PGE
100! Most Traveled Pinoy!
Alright, kamusta?
Yes, kamusta ka naman, Kuya Rambi? Okay ako naman. Dito ako sa Pakistan. Ikaw, asan ka ba, Kuya?
Nandito sa New Jersey, USA.
Wow! Oy guys, sa ating mga viewers, make sure na mag-follow at mag-subscribe kayo dito sa aming YouTube channel. At i-follow nyo kami sa aming account dahil ito pala yung ating unang episode ng PGE 100. At napakabongga, di ba, Kuya Ramsey? Rambi, sorry. Ay, sino si Ramsey? Kasi after Rambi, Rambi, kanino yun? 100, no? Nakailang travel ka na ba, Kuya? Di ba lampas 100 ka na?
Lagpas 100 na, pero mas lagpas tong guest natin.
Oh wow, grabe. Ito na nga. She's been to over 160 countries and no, she's not done yet. Beauty, brains, and a boarding pass. She's got that character energy wherever she lands. She rolls through airport lounges in heels, but she hikes mountains when she feels. She's bold, effortless, unstoppable, and she's taking you with her. She is Abby! Woo!
Kamusta? Asan kayo?
Andito ako sa Florida.
Kamusta ang mga travel natin? Parang ngayon ka lang nakapunta na.
Ay, ano lang, kakadating ko lang from Vegas after my long 4 months trip to sa South Pacific Island.
Wow.
And then in a few days, I'm leaving again. So I only have like few days here.
Uy, mag-hi naman sa ating mga viewers and listeners. So,
hello everyone.
Okay, so diretso na tayo sa point, Francis. Saglit lang ang panahon natin.
Wait, thank you for your time, ha?
So, balita ko, naka 160 plus countries na si Abby. Hindi ka naman parating sa 160 plus kung hindi ka medyo baliw. Simula ang kabaliwan.
Sobrang baliw. Yeah. I'm a travel addict, I think. Yeah. I've been traveling non-stop for 3 years now.
So, saan galing yung kagusto tapusin lahat ng countries sa mundo?
It started when I was young. Kasi yung my mom always take me on a trip in the Philippines. So, start from there, I never stopped exploring. So, nag-start ako ng international trip 15 years ago in 2010. And then, yeah, I love going on a long trip. Like my first backpacking trip is in Southeast Asia. I went on a 6 month trip.
Do you travel alone?
Yeah, my first international trip in Southeast Asia.
Do you travel alone ba?
Yeah, that was my first solo. Yeah, most of my travel are solo.
How is it like as a female traveler to travel alone? Kamusta naman yun?
I love it. I love it. I have freedom. I can do whatever I want.
Hindi pa delikado.
I never felt dangerous. Actually, it's more fun. And maraming mabait sa mundo. And
Wow.
Gusto ko itanong kay Avi yung ano niya, yung overlanding niya sa Africa. Can you just give us a typical day kung ano yung mga nangyayari sa overlanding sa Africa? Kasi gusto rin namin ni Francis gawin sana yun eh.
Yes, gusto ko
ang ganda ng trip na yun. Yeah, ang ganda ng trip na yun. Medyo matagal lang kasi ang laki ng Africa. Inabot ako ng almost 10 months.
Wow.
Ano West Africa, sobrang dangerous talaga. Doon na kami
Sabi nila sa akin, West daw yung mas madali.
West?
Oo, sabi nila, mas madali daw ang West kaysa sa East. Diba? Mas dangerous sa East eh.
Ang West ang sobrang dangerous. East ang mas more marami kasing tourists, and West is like you cannot see most tourists after Morocco.
Oh wait, para sa aming mga hindi magaling sa geography, ano yung mga bansa sa West? Ano yung bansa sa East?
So after ng Morocco, Mauritania na. Western Sahara and Mauritania.
Yung mga yun.
Yan yung mga hindi the tourists. Less tourists, wala na masyadong bumibisita. So Nigeria, ang daming checkpoint. Everywhere checkpoint. At lahat ng hihingi ng bribe. And in Angola, we got robbed. Yeah, pero wala naman nasaktan. Yeah, wala naman nasaktan kahit na nagpaputok siya ng baril. Wala naman siyang nakuha sa amin kundi yung cellphone lang ng tour leader namin. And we're camping all over Africa. So kahit saan na lang kami kasi natutulog sa Africa.
Buti na-inspire ka pa rin mag-travel, hindi ka na-trauma.
Hindi. Ayun lang yung actually most scary experience ko.
Wow. Ano pa yung kulang mo, Avi? Sa naka 160 plus ka na, diba? Ano pa yung kulang?
I have 3 left in South America, which is I'm going Uruguay on this trip. And then Venezuela is not gonna be this time. And then a lot in Africa, North Africa.
So, meron ka na bang napili?
Teacher question.
Sige, ikaw.
Hindi ka muna, sige. Question mo muna, sir. Go.
Napili ka na bang last country mo?
Gusto ko sana malapit lang sa Florida para makapunta yung mga friends ko. Meron na lang akong 2 sa Caribbean. So, baka doon sa isa doon.
Alright.
Malapit lang naman sa
akin.
Ako
ang question ko, when did you realize na gusto mo kumpletuhin lahat?
Matagal ko na kasi talaga siyang pangarap. Siguro, lalo ko na push nung itong 3 years ago. But it's been my dream. Wow. But this 3 years ago, I have time, I have the money. So, okay, this is the time to do it. So yeah, I'm really hoping for the last 3 years.
Okay.
Wow, sana all.
Yeah, so, kilalanin naman natin si Avi para makilala siya ng mga viewers natin. Next question is, makita naman natin yung Instagram ni Avi, kung saan siya nagpupunta. But 3 things that most people don't know about you.
Mahihain ako. Joke. Mahihain talaga ako. No joke.
Kung ako kaganyan hindi ako mahihiya.
Kaya nga eh.
Ganito nga na itsura ko, hindi ako mahihiya.
Ito pa, kailangan ko na nga talaga itong i-improve kasi I'm joining Miss Universe next year. Yeah, so I'm gonna be in the Philippines.
Wow!
So I'm gonna have to start training when I get...
Exclusive for us, ha? Exclusive for us.
Yeah. Yeah, so kailangan ko ng tulong nyo.
Congrats in advance.
Wow, thank you so much for sharing it with us. Grabe. Meron na tayong magiging friend na Miss Universe. Manifesting.
Yeah.
Pato.
Ano pa ba yung isa? Ano pa ba? Wala na ako maisip. Yeah,
pero
wala.
Pero for those who doesn't know your social media account, saan ka ba nila dapat hanapin para makita at ma-inspire din sila sa iyo? Anong yung social media account?
Follow me at Abby's Adventure, my Instagram handle, Abby's Adventure.
Right. Ayan guys, i-follow nyo si Abby at sundan niyo yung kanyang paglalakwatsa dahil malapit na niya matapos, nakaka 163 countries na siya as of now.
30 na lang, konti na lang. Okay, next Abby. We call this fast talk. Parang si Tito Boy lang yung kalbo.
Yes.
Papalap ako si Tito Boy. Bilis yung sagot. I'm gonna tell you something, ask you something, and then dapat mabilis lang. First thing that comes to mind. Okay, ready? Okay, favorite cuisine?
Japanese.
Okay, favorite city?
Tokyo. It's so many, but Tokyo.
Favorite people from what?
Japanese?
Filipino.
Philippines.
Number one for me, the Philippines.
Favorite man-made structure?
Burj Khalifa.
Favorite wonder?
Nature wonder. I'm going back again for the second time to Iguazu Falls.
Oh, yeah.
Which side?
Both sides. But I like the Argentina more.
Okay.
Beach or mountain?
Beach.
Of course, love that two-piece.
Yeah.
Window.
Sorry.
Window or aisle?
Aisle, of course. Always.
Hotel, Airbnb, or hostel?
Hotel.
Solo travel or with a group?
Solo.
Nakisagot.
Fine dining.
Sorry.
Street food or fine dining?
Fine dining.
Favorite European country?
Italy.
Favorite Asian?
Favorite Asian? Japan.
Yeah.
Favorite, what did you say again? Favorite Asian? Japan.
Favorite African country?
Tanzania. Mount Kilimanjaro.
Favorite destination in the Middle East?
Oman.
Wow. Go travel souvenir.
Flag. I don't usually collect, but yeah, flag.
Favorite language other than English or Tagalog?
Spanish, easier.
Favorite travel quote?
Travel is the thing you buy that make you richer.
Wow.
Galing, pang Miss Universe pa. Ito na, last 6. Favorite airline?
Emirates or yeah. So
favorite airport?
Singapore.
Favorite continent?
I like Oceania.
Country you always go back to?
Philippines.
Country that is number 1 on your wish list right now?
North Korea.
If you can have a dinner with a living or dead person, who would it be?
With my mom.
All right. Good job. Francis, may tanong ka pa ba para sa ating guest?
Grabe, actually na-inspire talaga ako sa kanya eh. Sobrang maganda na, well-traveled pa. Hindi ka ba nahihirap pag nagta-travel ka?
Hindi, madali. Mas madali. Madali.
Mabilis lang.
Yeah.
Mahirap pa lang, mahirap hulihin ang pihikang damdamin ni Abby.
Ito Francis, last question before we let Abby go. Abby, since you've joined PGE, ano ba yung may nakuha ka ba sa PGE or why did you join or ano yung best part about PGE or Philippine Global Explorers for you?
Oh, I love Philippine Global Explorer. Mas lalo akong na-inspired mag-travel kasi ang dami palang Pilipinong nagta-travel din. So, yun. Tapos nabito yung mga, yung friends ko doon. May mga nakakasama din ako mag-travel from PGE.
Yeah. Like we always say, parang you finally found your tribe kasi kahit kung baliw ka sa travel, baliw tayo lahat sa travel.
Baliw tayo lahat sa travel.
Yeah. Sige, Abby, promote your Instagram or social medias para they can follow it.
Papamoy ko na rin yung I am Abby from Florida. I'm a real estate agent here in Florida. So if you're looking to buy a house or sell a house, contact me on my Instagram or my Facebook. I will stop traveling for that.
Yes, wow.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Woo! Yes. Welcome guys. Thank you so much, Abby, for us here sa ating first episode dito sa PGE 100. Kaya naman sa ating mga ka-PGE dyan, kung nag-enjoy ka, don't forget to follow us. Mag-subscribe kayo sa aming social media accounts. And syempre, i-share nyo na itong ating podcast sa iba pa nating mga travelers na Filipino or anywhere or anyone na nandyan.
Alright, so until next time, keep your bags light, your passport ready, and your heart open to every adventure. Muli, ako si Ramby Francisco.
At ako naman si Francis Candier na nagpapaalala na the world is wide and the best stories happen when you say yes to another journey. Safe travels and see you sa next episode. Bye-bye!